All right, so I've built something really cool and I've been looking for a good time to demonstrate it. And so uh, yesterday, finally, this has happened and I wanted to show this to you guys. This is a video recording and I started recording because the agents were working. My lights were off. I wasn't prepared to be on camera. So I decided I'm just going to record it first and then do a voiceover after that. So this is what's happening. So over here, what you are seeing is actually I encountered a problem. I encountered a problem when I was working my agents, and I asked one of the agents to sort of like look into it, right? So as you can see over here, it says key clue from this one, and then the gate is not a problem, whatever. So for context, the feature that we were working on was actually a feature where it's meant for guardrail. So in my own agentic setup, nothing can be done unless I say do it, unless I give my specific and explicit permission by typing DOIT. So and without this thing, the agents can actually they can still do stuff. They can search the web, they can open the panels, they can read, they can research, they can do everything that a chatbot can do. But whenever it comes to any form of file modifications, they need to actually ask my approval for it. And it is so strict to the point where if I do DO space IT, it won't work. It has to be explicitly DO space IT. So from then onwards, things were going well, but sometimes I was noticing sometimes that agents, when they send out dispatches, if there are like too many things happening all at once, the agents can't get through, even if I were to give my do it permission. So I asked, so that actually happened with the CMO, and I asked the CMO to like look into it. And the critic over here, this guy was the one that is basically handling the whole permission thing, because I find that this guy is very good with stuff like that. So the CMO sent an email to the critic to ask like what is going on. And then the critic went back and forth by themselves. The critic actually sent an email back to the CMO, and the CMO responded back to the critic, and so on and so forth. So over here, it says, you can see the critic here is responding, and actually it says over here, can you see replying to CMO now? It says over here replying to CMO now. Neither gut touches .Claude/skills. The issue isn't those two, but looking at the gate log more carefully, the gate approved both the gate agent dispatch and the sub agent bash at 1609. That's the latest attempt. After gate logging was deployed, the gate is clear. Whatever blocked previous attempts is either gone now, or the bash command ran but failed at the OS level, rather than being blocked by a hook. I need to know if the latest attempt actually succeed or still fail. So it's actually asked the CMO a clarifying question. So immediately after the critic said this, I clicked on the CMO. And I see the CMO received a mail. This is a system message sent by another agent from Critic agent to content strategist agent. Bash denied on audit wrapper. Two questions: Did the latest attempt succeed or still fail? If it still failed, what was the exact error output from the bash command? Not denied, the actual stderr exit code. What the failure is happening at OS level, not at gate level. So the CMO says gate is clear. The failure is at the OS level. Dispatching now to get the actual error. And so it continued on, all right? And you find out what is going on. Here you go. So it sent out its sub-agents to find out what is happening. There you go. Okay, so agents said, got the diagnosis, file permissions are clean, no immutable flag, no OS level restriction, blah, blah, blah. I don't understand any of this. But I understand logic, and I understand management, and I understand systems. And that's basically what I did. So over here, the CMO said, sent. The critic needs to either pre-approve bash in settings.json for agents, or we run this as a foreground operation where you can click allow. Which would you prefer while we wait for your response? Okay, and I go back to the critic. You see that? Okay, It's all automatic. I didn't send any of this, even though the message bubble looked like it's me. It is not me because I didn't set up the infra for that yet. But over here, it says you got mail from content strategies back to Critic. Root cause found, bash denial is Claude code native permission prompt, not OS. The CMO found it, native Claude code permission prompt, background agents can't respond to it, so it auto denies. Replying back, replying to CMO and bringing this for your authorization. So it uses the MCP server to send an agent mail. And from there, the CMO received it. Yeah, okay, got mail, root cause confirm. Yeah, so that's basically like, and then we continue the conversation from there. So like, the reason why this is so cool is because I don't understand most of the stuff, and without the agent mail feature of my agentic setup, I would have to be the one that basically become the message boy, like copy and paste here, go and talk to the agent, copy and paste there, come and talk to this agent. And I don't understand what is happening. So I needed the agents to collaboratively work with each other from different perspectives and different angles. So this is something that I built. Feel free to steal this for your agentic setup. No, I don't have any open source thing. I sell this stuff, so I'm not gonna make this available via open source. So don't ask in the comments. But I give you this idea. This is the gist of it. And if you talk to your agents to go and build it, they will be able to build it for you too. All right, that's all for today. If you like this video and find it helpful, like and subscribe.